special dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvels standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive.
Hello, my name is Darpan Balaskar and I have completed the task 1 for the Liquid Galaxy. Uh, and Here, as you can see, I have set up the 3 virtual machines, LG1 which is the master machine, and LG2 and LG3 which are the slaves machine. And as you can see that I have successfully installed the Google Earth, and as you can see here, I have the BlueStack simulator in which I have downloaded the data space visualization for LG, and here you can see that first of all that I have connected these 3 virtual machines with a NAT network, and then I have connected the host machine, that is my laptop, and the LG one which is the master with the host only network. Now this BlueStack app I have just connected my master machine with this data space app. As you can see that it is connected, and I will connect it now also, and as you can see that it is connected, and we will run some visualizations here. As you can see that I will run this bus for 479, and I will start orbit, it will simulate. As you can see, the simulation is working, and I can hover around the map. I can also run different simulations, but first of all, let's clear the KML and the logos. And now I'll run this simulation, and it is working.
Hi, myself Aniket Dhingra, currently completing my bachelor's degree in computer science with a specialization of AI/ML from VIT Pune, India, and this is my submission for the Liquid Galaxy GSoC 2026 Task 1. In this video, I'll demonstrate a 3-node Liquid Galaxy setup running on virtual machines controlled by a smartphone emulator through the Data Spaces app. So, let's move on to the rig. So this is my Liquid Galaxy rig, consisting of 3 Ubuntu virtual machines. The center screen LG1 is the master node, which is used for the orchestration and the control. The other 2 screens, LG2 and LG3, are the slave nodes. All the 3 virtual machines are connected using a NAT plus host only network configuration, which allows a smooth communication between the controller and the master node. Now, if I zoom into the globe, as you can see, all the 3 virtual machines are working in perfect synchronization. Now, if I bring up my Pixel smartphone emulator and I turn it on, yes, and open the data spaces app, you can see the connection has been established. And now if I go and move on to the one of the pig farms, year 2024, batch 1, it will take us to that farm, and if I press on the start orbit button, it will start orbiting around the farm. Now if I go to the settings and use one of the functions like clean KML and press confirm, as you can see all the KMLs are being cleaned, and it gives us and that cleans the data layers and gives us a clean state to the visualization. And if I press on the clean logo button, the logo is disappeared. So with this, I conclude my demonstration for the 3-node Liquid Galaxy rig controlled using a smartphone emulator and the data spaces app. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, I am Anubhav Kirola and this is my task on submission of GSoC 2026 for Liquid Galaxy Lab, and here I'll be demonstrating my 3 sync rigs with Google Earth Pro. Here as you can see, I set up 3 virtual rigs with LG1 as master and LG2 and LG3 as slaves. Here they are perfectly synced, and I'll be demonstrating the usage with the data specs app by Mark from GSoC 2025. Here it is. I'll be opening in, sending the location in the rigs. As you can see, they are reacting to the location. If I click here, they are perfectly synced with the location that they are going through from the app. And I've used BlueStacks emulator for setting up the 7A display size of the emulator. And here as you can see, if I click on this location, the rig will also reactivate. Here line direction and location plus update showing here in this rig of the bus. Just there are the 3 rig setup, and if we move to another, as you can see, the rigs are perfectly synced with each other. So that aligns with the task. I have set up 3 virtual rigs using the Oracle VirtualBox and one emulator here that is running in the data specs app, spaces app, that is created by Mark from GSoC 2025. And here are the 3 rigs that are perfectly synced with each other and working properly. Thank you.
Hi Liquid Galaxy, this is Anirudh, the second year I am BTech AM student from India. This video is my submission for the task 1 contribution to GSoC 2026, where I will show the complete demonstration of the data spaces app made by Mark, a GSoC 2025 contribution. So let's start by connecting the virtual Liquid Galaxy setup. Okay. So as you will see, this LG1 is my master, wherein LG3 and LG2 are the 2 slaves connected to the LG1. As you can see, when I zoom in and zoom out, it is perfectly synced up, right? This is an app on Google Pixel 7a smartphone. This is an emulator, Android emulator, and as you can see, data spaces visualization app is made by Mark, who is a GSoC 2025 contributor, and I have already connected it through my master's IP, which is 192.168.56.101, and I'll show you some 3 main features which this app comprises of. The one is Malga buses, wherein in Spain there's a port town called as Malga, where you can see all the buses in it. So let's select bus number 520. Out of all the buses, I'll get selected the bus number 520. When I do start orbit, it will simply start rotating around the bus, right? And second feature is the environmental sensors. In this, there's simply a lot of sensors. It can be weather, it can be temperature, but mostly weather sensors. And when I suppose select sensor number 6, so it will just, when I press it start orbit, it will just start rotating. And in here in the LG2 in the slave, you will find all the details of the sensor which I have selected, the last updated location, temperature, location, latitude and longitude, right? So let's now go on to the third feature, which is the pig farm, LiDAR pig farm. Let's select Ceros farm and let's select batch. Select number year 2024, batch number 7. When I select this, out of all the farms, I got this cute emoji here. This is a Google Earth Ceros farm zoomed in, right? So when I do start over, it will start rotating simply. Also, some features like shutdown, reboot are there, which you can just reboot from hardware and software side. Clean KML and clean KML. Let me just press clean KML plus logos. It will simply remove all the logos and clean KML. Theme is light and dark, and bus direction can be text and numeric as well. So lastly, I would like to thank Soham Jaiswal sir for his video on YouTube, virtual setup on YouTube, Mark for the data spaces app, and NTU sir for giving us an opportunity we never had before. Thank you, sir.
Hello mentors, my name is Tanishq Sharma. I am in my third year of engineering at Punjab Engineering College in Chandigarh in India. So this is my submission for task 1 at Liquid Galaxy Lab. I am using the Oracle VirtualBox to run a rig of 3 machines. The LG1, LG2 and LG3 are the 3 virtual machines. LG1 is the master machine while the LG2 and LG3 are the slave machines. These 3 machines are communicating with each other using the NAT network while we are talking to the LG1 machine using the host only adapter. So we can see the 3 machines in action here. As we can see that the 3 machines are working in sync with each other. So now to try out this display, we are going to use the Liquid Galaxy app, that is Data Spaces Visualization for LG. We are running this app on Android Studio on Pixel 7a. The app has already been connected to the Oracle VirtualBox, that is the master machine. So now let us try with the pig farms, the Ceros farm in the year 2024, and let's say batch 9. So as we can see, the screens are responding accordingly. We can see the logos and the data about the farm loading and the logos in place. We can also orbit around the farm and stop orbit. Now let us try looking at the Malaga buses. We can see the screens changing and yes, so here we can see the buses. Let us select, let's say, bus number 531. We can see the bus in red and all other buses in blue. We can also see the required data.